In this video, I will show you that how we can easily delete Windows old folder in Windows 10, 11. So if we go inside this PC, C drive, then you can see there is a Windows.old folder because I have just updated my Windows 10 to Windows 11. So to delete this, just go to the settings and now go to storage. Now wait for its calculation. Go to temporary files section and wait for its scanning. Here tick the previous Windows installation. This is the Windows old folder. Now just click on remove files. And continue. Okay, so the data is cleared. Now go to the C drive and you can see there is no Windows.old folders. So the Windows.old folder is removed from our system. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends as well so I can create more valuable content for you. Follow us on other social media accounts as well. Links are in description of this video.